Before we finish reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the right and at the bottom. Number 7. How did engineers change and improve the lives of people throughout the empire? Number 8. Describe Roman improvements to Greek architecture. Check for understanding. List 2 facts that describe what life was like for the Romans. List 2 things the Romans borrowed from the Greeks and then adapted to meet their needs. Romans added new ideas to architecture. Architecture is the art of making structures such as buildings. Romans built with concrete. They added arches. By putting many arches together, they could form a vault, or a curved ceiling. Curved ceilings created beautiful domes. Using domes, the Romans were able to build large, open rooms. Concrete, a hard substance used for roads, bridges, and buildings. Arch, curved part of a structure that supports ceilings and walls. Dome, round ceiling that is shaped like half of a ball. Romans also learned science from the Greeks. They studied the work of a Greek doctor named Galen. Galen studied anatomy to learn about the body's structure. Roman engineers built practical things such as bridges, buildings, and roads. Roads connected the city of Rome to every part of the empire. This allowed soldiers to travel quickly. Traders used the roads so trade grew. The Romans also built aqueducts that carried fresh water into the cities. The Roman influenced future generations. Concrete and other elements of Roman architecture are still used today. Until about AD 1500, Latin, the language of the Romans, was the official language of European government, trade, and learning. Latin is the basis of many modern languages such as Italian, French, and Spanish.